Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix black screen on Windows while playing games. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Check for Update. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is open any browser, type desktop or laptop manufacturer name with support. Click Software and Drivers. Select your OS and OS type. Select Graphics Server and download. Fifth method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand Link State Power Management, change to Turn Off. Change all options to Never. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.